po jako akawuwo.
We agreed this morning because of financial constraints within the Treasury that they would go back and look through with my technical officers where we can reduce, if possible.
But, as the minister said, it was recognized that because of the severe financial constraints, the Electoral Commission goes back, looks at the budget, and identifies those areas where cuts may be made. It's a difficult task, but we are going to see what can be done and get back to the Ministry of Finance.
The other departments and the ministries, you have cut their budget. Where is that money going? You've said that the Electoral Commission is top priority, and indeed it is top priority. It is from his own submission. Now, it wouldn't be fair, and I will not support that the only remedy for granting Electoral Commission money is by first revisiting their budget. I expect and believe that by the time these people generated their budget, they looked at all those major requirements.
So how can we talk of budget cuts now? I thought we would now try and provide money that is necessary for all the items that all the programs that we want to undertake, chief amongst them, the elections. So how can we be talking about budget cuts?
And last week, when the Minister of State for Finance was here, he didn't talk about budget cuts. He assured us that he's going there and he will come back to assure us that the money will be there for the Electoral Commission. Now, when a full minister comes and begins telling us about budget cuts, are we going to have a free and fair elections in this country?
Doesn't he expose the Electoral Commission and the country and proposing to Electoral Commission, they can just simply organize any election within the budget that is providing?
Kati lwaleero tubadde wano nga tuwogera ku ssente ezetunoonya zetwanoonya zetukyanoonya ate zijja okwongera okunoonya kulaba nti akalulu kakubiddwa mu ddembe mu bwenkanya ne mu buwembeefu kubanga kino kirina okubaawo kiri mu ssemateeka waffe.